Hey, what's up? It's DJ Al'Goodie. Myself and Mons
Yes.
are having a little bit of a debate because there's a guy in the building that kind of thinks he's a rapper.
He thinks he's a rapper?
I don't know what the heck's over there.
He honestly thinks he's a rapper. He said he's got some title for like 3 years. I mean, I've got a few beats he's gonna drop, but honestly, who is this guy?
It is what it is, man. Williams franchise, Sunny Bill, Serena, Venus, and my main man Robbie. It'll be 3 years in November 20, actually, boys. My theory is you can rap Robbie Williams rock DJ to any song, any song. No one has been able to present me with a song that I cannot rap Robbie Williams rock DJ to.
Alright. Hold up. We're gonna test this guy. I'll give him 3 beats.
3 beats.
We'll test his simple theory.
That is that simple.
Drop that beat. Robbie Williams. Robbie Williams. Me with the flow show, kicking with your toes, so boys getting high and the girls even more so. Wave your hands if you're not with a man. Can I kick it? Yes, you can. I got, you got, we got everybody. I've got the gift, gonna stick it in the goal. It's time to move your body. Say what? Williams franchise. Williams franchise.
There was one beat down. That's 1 beat down from DJ Al'Goodie. That's you passed that?
He just passed it.
He just passed it.
Too easy, mates.
Drop it, brother.
3 years, November 20th. Oh yeah. Kicking it old school. Robbie Williams, yo, franchise. Me with the floor show, kicking with your torso. Boys getting high and the girls even more so. Wave your hands if you're not with a man. Can I kick it? Yes, you can. I got, you got, we got everybody. I've got the gift, gonna stick it in the goal. It's time to move your body. Our dub. Throw it at me, any song. You can rap Robbie Williams rock DJ to it. Williams franchise, wear it out.